Hi everyone, I'm MC Shivani. I extend a very warm welcome to everyone for Chennai City League draw and fixture event. So this is gonna be a very good event for fun, and we'll know who will be in which team for all the categories. And today it makes a significant step towards the thrilling matches ahead. We are here to officially determine the team fixture, which team will be put in which groups. So these grouping will set the stage for intense competition, strategic gameplay, and ultimately the journey to victory. The City League Chennai is more than just an opportunity. It is a golden opportunity for aspiring footballers to showcase their talent to the national level championship. So here it is organized by IFL, Indian Football 7 League, happening this May in Chennai, organized by Football 7 Association of India. A career path to Asian Football 7 League happening in Thailand. So now I absolute honor to welcome Mr. Aniket, Director of UA Games, to share few words.
Hello, I'm very glad for this draws and fixtures ceremony, and we would like to inform that there are more than 30 to 40 teams participating from all over Chennai, and we have under 9, under 11, under 15, under 17 open. All categories teams will be there, and when we announce the draws and fixtures, I hope all the teams can play for the best spot. So we can start with the draws and fixtures.
Okay. We have all the categories here under 9, 11, 13, 15 and open category. So in each category there are maximum 10 teams that will be divided into 2 or 3 groups. So first we'll pick up for under 9 there are 8 teams. So for pool A there will be 4 teams, and for pool B there are 4 teams.
Pool A, it's FC Marina A. Okay.
Yes. And next we'll pick for pool B.
Pool B, FC Marina B.
Yes, and then we have pool A again.
Pool A, G2A B.
Yes. And here we have pool B again.
For pool B, it's CP Sports Academy.
And up next is pool A.
First Touch FA.
And at last we have pool A.
We have G2A Team A. G2A Team A.
Yes. And next we'll go for under 11. 7 teams are here.
We will just declare it once again.
We'll declare the under 7.
Pool A once again.
Yes, pool 9.
Under 9.
Under 9 pool A. 4 teams are here.
I will announce the 4 team once again. It's FC Marina Academy. It's First Touch FA, G2A B, and for Pool B, we have CP Sports Academy, FC Marina Academy, G2A A, and for
Pool B.
For Pool B.
And now we'll move to under 11. There are 7 teams. Pool A 4 teams, and pool B 3 teams.
Okay. So for under 11, we have in pool A we have First Touch FA. First Touch FA.
Yes, pool A First Touch FA. And for pool B.
For pool B, we have FC Marina Whites.
Yes, FC Marina Whites for pool B, under 11 category.
Okay. For pool A, we have Olive Tree Global School. Olive Tree Global School. You
Next.
can also pick few.
And here we have pool B, FC Marina Yellow.
You can invite me next. For pool A, we have G2A. G2A. Okay. For pool B, we have Valiant FA.
For pool B, Valiant FA.
And last team of the pool group is Azura FC. Azura FC.
Yes, under 11 category, the last team of Pool A is Azura FC. So we'll show the Pool A again.
So in the pool A we have First Touch FA, Olive Tree Global School, G2A, and Azura FC.
Yes.
In pool B we have FC Marina Whites, FC Marina Yellow, and Valiant FA. We would like to invite the next guest for the.
Yes, we invite any coaches from here to pick the draws.
We have a coach of Variant Academy, Malimar sir. So he will help us with the under 13 pools.
Yes, under 13 we have 10 teams. Pool A 4 teams, Pool B 3 teams, Pool C 3 teams. So now we'll pick for Pool A.
LRFC. LRFC.
LRFC for Pool A. Next we have for Pool B
NVR.
NVR FC. See, you can pick it. And for Pool C, we have NPK FC. And again, we are back with on Pool A,
CP Sports Academy.
CP Sports Academy. Under Pool A, CP Sports Academy. And for Pool B, next,
Velamal Academy.
Velamal Academy. For Pool B, Velamal Academy. And for Pool C, we have
What does that mean?
DMAS FC. DMAS FC for Pool C. And again, with Pool A,
First Touch.
we have First Touch FA. First Touch FA. And for Pool B, we have FC Marina Thunders. FC Marina Thunders. And for Pool C, we have
Lorem FC.
Lorem FC. Lorem FC for Pool C. Yes. And again, at last, we have for Pool A, Wet Chennai Football Champs. Wet Chennai Football Champs for Pool A.
Here.
Announce the name again. So we'll announce the Pool A again for under 13 category. LRFC, CP Sports Academy, First Touch FA, and Wet Chennai Football Champs. And for Pool B, NBR FC, Velamal Academy, FC Marina Thunders. And for Pool C, we have NPK FC, DMAS FC, and Lorem FC. And next, we have under 15 category, 8 teams. Pool A, 4 teams, and Pool B, 4 teams. We invite coach of G2A, he'll help us to pick the draws. First, for Pool A.
Like FC Marina Thunders.
Pool A, FC Marina Thunders. And next we have for Pool B.
For Pool B, we have CP Sports Academy.
Pool B, CP Sports Academy.
Yeah, I saw it. Okay.
And again we have Pool A,
We have Velamal Academy.
Velamal Academy. And next for Pool B, FCM Thunders. FCM Thunders for Pool B. And again for Pool
For
A,
Pool A, we have G2A Academy.
G2A Academy. For Pool A. For next Pool B,
Olive Tree Global School.
Olive Tree Global School for Pool B. And next we have for Pool A,
We have CP Sports Academy.
CP Sports Academy. Next for Pool B,
We have Lorem FC.
Lorem FC. Again, we have for Pool A,
Army Public School.
Army Public School for Pool A. I'll announce the names again for Pool A. Army Public School, CP Sports Academy, FC Marina Thunders, Velamal Academy, G2A. And for Pool B, we have 4 teams, CP Sports Academy, FCM Thunders, Olive Tree Global School and Lorem FC.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now we'll move to the last category, open category. There are 6 teams in open category. For Pool A, 3 teams and Pool B, 3 teams.
So now we are down to the final draws of open category. Let's see which team is there. It's City Trials team A for in the Pool A category. City Trials team.
City Trials for Pool A category.
So there were players which were selected from the trials and they get an opportunity to play in the league. And in Pool B we have the Gunners.
The Gunners for Pool B.
The Gunners. And that's for Pool B.
Pool A.
And then we have Scholar FC. Scholar FC, which will be in Pool A. Then we have City Trials B team in Pool B. Pool B. We have CP Sports Academy in Pool A. And the last team of the trials for the league for open categories, El Masia. El Masia.
Yes.
So we will just repeat the Pool A once again. It's City Trials A, Scholar FC and CP Sports Academy in Pool A. 3 teams in Pool A. And
Next, we'll move to Pool B.
And in Pool B we
4
have
teams.
the Gunners, City Trials B and El Masia. So by this we have all the draws for all the age categories, under 9, under 11, under 13, under 15 and open. And I think we announced this tournament open.
Yes. So with all the teams are set now, let's get ready for the electrifying event. So every team brings unique strength, strategies and passion, making this league one of the most competitive and thrilling events yet. So City League Chennai is a remarkable opportunity for young players to showcase their talents to play football, 7 nationals and internationals. So we wish all the best for every teams.
So now I think all the teams are very excited for the revealing of the trophy. All the cameras are set for the revealing, and the countdown in the countdown we will start revealing the trophy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's the trophy for our tournament, and we announced the City League Open. We have this matches scheduled for 9th
Feb.
and at FC Marina, and wish all the best for all the teams. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we welcome you all for City League Chennai, and we have total of 5 age groups in this league. We have more than 30 teams participating for this tournament. So in under 9 we have in Pool A we have Velamal Academy, FC Marina Academy, First Touch FA and G2A B. And in Pool B we have CP Sports Academy, FC Marina Academy B, G2A A and Shri Krish. So in under 9, from the pool of 2 pools of 4, 2 teams will qualify for semi-finals and then they will proceed ahead for the finals. In under 11 category we have total 2 pools. In Pool A we have Olive Tree Global School, First Touch FA, G2A Academy, Azura FC And in Pool B, we have FC Marina Whites, FC Marina Yellow, and Valiant FA. In this two pools, the top two teams will qualify for semi-finals, and then they will proceed ahead for finals. For under 13, I would like Ari to.
So under 13 there is a 3 poles, and LRFC, CP Sports, First Touch and West Chennai Football Champs, they will be on pole A. There will be a top 1 will be qualified for the next league and second round of league, and pole B, FC Marina Thunders, Velamal Academy, NVR FC, they will be on pole B. So the winner will be qualified for the top will be pole top will be qualified for the semi-finals. And pole C, NPK FC, Demos FC and Lorem FC. The top team will be qualified for the next round of league. So in this next round of league, there's a 3 teams. There will be table topper will be the winner, and second place will be as per the order.
So they will be playing round robin, right?
Yeah, again the round robin.
Okay.
And
In pool, for under 15, we have
This is
pool A.
so for pool under 15 in pool A, Army Public School, First Touch, FC Marina Thunders, Velamal Academy, and G2A for pool A. And here for pool B, CP Sports Academy, FCM Thunders, Olive Tree Global School, and Lorem FC.
So in this pool, tabletop 2 teams will qualify for the semi-finals and finals. And then we have the last group, that is open category.
This is open category. Pole A, City Trials team. Then next one is CP Sports Academy. Then third team, Scholar FC. Then Pole B, the Gunners. Then next one is City Trials Team B. Then last one is La Masia.
And there will be a top 1 will be qualified for the finals, direct final for each polls. Top team will be qualified for the finals. Thank you. Thank you. So the credit goes to Vishnu.
Yeah.
The idea is given by Vishnu.
Yeah, Vishnu, you can come.
Hey,
So the person who is behind this concept of how to make draws is Vishnu, and Vishnu is one of our organizing members. Thanks a lot, Vishnu, for your. Thank you.